What if the United States didn't wake up tomorrow as the world's superpower? What if overnight China replaced the US as the dominant force on Earth? This isn't a distant future. This is a scenario already in motion. And if it happens, your freedom, your money, your internet, your food supply could all be under one flag. It started silently. While most countries were debating culture wars, inflation, and TikTok trends, China was building ports, buying farmland, and rewriting trade deals in cash. They infiltrated AI development, global infrastructure, and even digital currency. Then one night, the yuan replaces the dollar as the global standard. The US wakes up to 33 trillion in debt, suddenly worth half as much. Markets crash. Amazon and Apple stocks plummet. Walmart shelves go empty, not from inflation, but because shipping ports now answer to Beijing. In 72 hours, half the world's cloud servers come under joint Chinese tech regulations. The Chinese firewall expands globally. VPNs are banned. Apps must meet harmonization standards. A new internet is born, one you can't question. Google gets blacklisted. Wikipedia becomes censored. And AI, it no longer says what's true. It says what it's allowed to say. China rolls out its global social credit system. Governments in Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia adopt it voluntarily. Your digital footprint becomes your passport. Criticize authority, bank account frozen. Like a wrong post, you can't buy a plane ticket. Speak against the system, you lose access to medical care. And then it hits the West. Governments, struggling with chaos, begin adopting parts of it for safety. Now, freedom isn't taken, it's traded for stability. China doesn't need to invade. They just turn off the switch. Satellites go dark. US drones fall from the sky. All military tech dependent on rare earth minerals stops working. Beijing broadcasts one message. The dragon does not roar. The dragon waits. And now, the world speaks Mandarin. So ask yourself, if China ruled the world, would you notice? Or would you slowly accept a new reality, where freedom looks a lot like permission? What would you fight for? What would you obey? And if the dragon truly awakens, would we even have the power to stop it?